Okay, so this is kind of the other part of the division section. We're dividing with powers so that we have a fraction inside and a power outside. We're still using some similar rules when we're dealing with powers to powers like in the last videos. So let's take a look first though, come up with a pattern. So 2 and 3. So we have 2 raised to the 4th power, and then we have 3 raised to the 4th power. So it's like both pieces are getting the power. So that's like 4 2s and 4 3s, which in turn would be 2 to the 4th over 3 to the 4th. And we do the math up for that, we're going to get 16 over 81. You just want to double check if you can to see if any of these fractions simplify. In this case, this fraction here does not simplify. Okay, looking at the next one, same idea with variables. So we have x times x times x times x over, and I'm going to be careful here, it's y squared 4 times, not just y. So it's y squared times y squared times y squared times y squared. Okay, so that's going to be x to the 4th, and then if we know our multiplication rules here, that's y times y squared 4 times, so that's going to be y to the 8th. And I guess I'll just copy that down over here. Okay. So the conclusion we can make is if we're raising a fraction like a over b to a power, like n, then we basically just raise the top part to the nth power and the bottom part to the nth power, keeping in mind all the rules we've learned so far. So we look at the first example. I'll probably do the first one out and let you guys try the next 3. So we're going to raise the whole top of this to the 2nd power and then the whole bottom to the 2nd power. So carefully. If we're raising 4 to the 2nd power here, that's going to be 16. And then p to the 7th to the 2nd power, remember a power to a power is multiply, would be p to the 14th power. Okay? And that's over the bottom, which is also raised to the 2nd power. So now we're dealing with 7 squared, which is 49. And then r squared squared, which is r to the 2 times 2, or 4. Alright, and once again, you should check this fraction to see if it can simplify, but in this case it doesn't. Alright, why don't you pause the video now and try the remaining 3. There are some on the next page. Show you that real quick. Some of these are much trickier than others, but what you want to keep in mind is that you're using all your properties, and that if things can continue to cancel, you want to do so. Okay, that's it.